In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect 8-bit DO Ultimate 2.4G to Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the 2.4G Ultimate from 8-bit DO, you will be able to connect it to a Switch, so it is compatible with a Nintendo Switch. In order to do this, you have to enable one option in the settings when you go over to your system settings on the Switch, and you have to turn on the controller and press a specific combination of buttons. So the first thing that you have to do is enable this option. So go over to the system settings and then access the controllers and sensors category. Enable Pro Controller Wired Communication. So make sure that this is enabled. Once you turn this option on, you will be able to use the actual receiver. So grab the 2.4G receiver and you have to plug it into the Nintendo Switch dock. You can also potentially use some sort of adapter, so usually this would be a USB hub where you are able to plug this hub into the USB-C port on your Switch, and by doing this it gives you access to a USB-A port. As long as you plug the receiver into either the dock of your Nintendo Switch or you plug the receiver into this adapter that you are using, you will be able to get it recognized. So just make sure that it is detected by your Switch. Now afterwards, turn on the controller and you will have to press and hold the minus and the LB bumper for 5 seconds. So press minus plus the left bumper and hold it for 5 seconds. The reason why you have to do this is to perform a mode switch. This will make it go into switch mode. After you are done using the controller on your Switch, you can press these buttons again to change the mode once more. Check the manual if you are still confused, and as long as you do the mode switch properly, you will be able to use it on your Nintendo Switch console. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect 8-bit DO Ultimate 2.4G to Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.